Hello, assalamu alaikum, wagwan, baoni, ni hao, namaste. If you're looking for a quick and easy 10-minute breakfast that will hit your micros and your macros, then you came to the right place. As you can see, I'm a bit thick right now. I don't know if you can tell, I'm a bit thick. I'm trying to cut right now, so I need to hit my daily protein intake so I won't lose as much muscle during my cutting period, as well as eating enough fats and carbs to give me enough energy in the gym whilst being in a calorie deficit. But I'm here to give you a blueprint, so please make sure you watch until the end of the video, and if you find it valuable, give it a little bit of a like and subscribe at the end. Saying that, let's get into the video and enjoy it. Yes, my people, so today for breakfast, what we're gonna make is oats with some banana and cinnamon in it, as well as a side of eggs, as well as a fruit salad. We're gonna use oats, a banana, an orange, an apple, almond milk with no sugar, cinnamon, and a protein powder of your choice. As well as that, we're gonna use 2 medium-sized eggs. Now I'm going to show you the utensils I use to make the oats, the eggs, and also the fruit salad. So what you're gonna need is a nice little small pot. Alright, we're gonna make the oats in here. Of course, you can make the oats in the microwave as well. You can do that, it's not rocket science. Just do exactly the same steps as what I'm doing. Just chuck it in the microwave, put it on for 2 minutes, constantly stir it until you get the right consistency you want. But yeah, I prefer using a pot, and I do recommend you guys using a pot as well. So, a pot to make your oats. Next, a nice little frying pan, alright? We're gonna fry our eggs. We're not gonna boil it, we don't have time. As I said, it's gonna be quick and easy. And get yourself a good quality non-stick pan, so you don't need to use that much oil, if anything. And if you are gonna use oil, get one of these bad boys, you get me? 1 calorie extra virgin oil thingies. Obviously, you're gonna need these 2 little wooden spoons, one for the oats, one for the eggs. Then a nice little knife so you can cut up the veg. A nice little knife so you can cut up the fruits and make a fruit salad. I nearly forgot. We're cutting, we need to make sure what we're eating is in the correct measurements. For 1 serving of the oats, I use 40 grams. And obviously I'm having a bit of trouble getting to the scale to 40 grams. Yeah, it's a cheap Morrison one. And then for the protein powder, I measured out 24 grams. That is 1 serving for my protein powder brand. Just use 1 serving and dash it in your oats. It should give a good amount of protein. Alright guys, now that we measured the oats and the protein powder, we're now set to make the whole breakfast. I like to start off with the oats and then the eggs. Well, I like to start off with the oats, then make the fruit salad during making the oats, and then obviously finish off with the eggs. So yeah, we're going to start off by prepping the oats. As we're already done, we've already measured the oats and the protein powder. Now it is to cut the banana. Obviously make sure to wash your hands. Already done that. I had a shower and washed my hands and all that bullshit, alright? So just get the banana and just cut up into little small segments, alright? And have a little bit of... Alright, so now that we've got the banana, we're just gonna plop it into the pan of oats. So yeah, just put it all in, like so. We're now ready to make the oats. We just need to put some almond milk in there. I do not measure the almond milk because it's so low in calories. So we just pour it until it submerges the top of the oats. So yeah, that is how the oats should look like with the almond milk in there. I also like to add some cinnamon because for flavor's sake, and once you're there, turn the hob to high heat, mix it all in, and you should be ready to go. We're going to do the fruits now. These are not washed, so we need to wash them. So what I like to do is cut it up into segments like so. Very, very rough. Cut up into little segments as you wish, whatever way you prefer. And then peel the orange. And that is just a nice simple fruit salad for you to eat with your oats and your eggs. You know, it's got everything you need. You know, just apples and oranges. Easy. Alright guys, we're back at the oats. Obviously we just done a fruit salad. It took about, you know, just under a minute. What I like to do, some people would think this is ready, and it is ready. But I like it a bit thick. If you like it a little bit more runnier, I would say cook it for just a little bit of less time, around about 2 minutes or what. But I like to cook it and make it a little bit thicker, so around about 5 minutes is my best consistency for these oats. Alright guys, I can't lie, I think this is ready. Once it's ready, just plop it into the bowl with your protein powder. Once you plop it in, just mix the protein powder in with the oats and you should get something like this. The oats is amazing. It doesn't look very appealing, but at the same time, it gets the job done. Now we're gonna make some eggs. So get your 2 medium eggs, turn the hob into high heat as well, and get your seasoning. So at least for eggs, please season your eggs with at least salt and black pepper. I like to use salt and black pepper as well as paprika. Paprika gives it that little bit of color and flavor, which I like. So yeah, just please use at least salt and black pepper. Pop those eggs into the frying pan, put your seasoning on top. Once the bottom of the eggs are cooked, then you can flip the eggs over, scramble it, do whatever you want. What I do, because I'm lazy, I'll just scramble it kinda, in a way, just like mix it together. I just want to ensure that all the eggs is cooked consistently throughout. So I'll just mix it until it's properly cooked. In future, I'll definitely will try and find ways to make the eggs look a little bit more attractive, but at the end of the day, it gives me my protein, it tastes nice, so I don't really bother with it. And as I said, it's quick and easy. I don't have time to present it and make it professional. I'm trying to keep it as real as I can with you guys. And I also use tomato ketchup as a little bit of a condiment on the side to give that a bit of flavor. Also, you can see me putting my supplements onto my desk where I start off my day. So I'll use those 4 supplements. If you're interested in the supplements I take, please leave a like and comment below, and I'll make sure to cover that in my next video. And this is my breakfast, guys. You got your eggs, your oats, and your fruit salad. Get enough protein from the eggs as well as the protein powder in the oats. You get enough fiber and carbs from the fruits as well as the oats itself, and there's a good amount of fats coming from the almond milk as well as in the oats as well, and the eggs. So all in all, this is a great meal. Macros will be up in the screen in a minute, and yeah guys, have it with a bottle of water and you're perfectly ready for the day. Alright guys, so yeah, that is my breakfast right there. I'm still perfecting it. I'm not a great chef, but it still tastes amazing. The seasoning on the eggs does the job. The oats, I experimented ever since I started this whole transformation, or me trying to get more interested in the gym. And yeah, I had some good and bad oats, and luckily this is very good oats. If you want to make it a bit more sweet, obviously add some honey or some sugar-free maple syrup. And then yeah, I like to add bananas because I feel like that adds to the sweetness without having any extra, syrups or whatnot. And also you can change what fruits you like in your fruit salad. I like to have apples and oranges because as a uni student, you don't want to buy extra fruits when they go off, and I feel like apples and oranges, they last very long and they're excellent, they taste amazing. So I have 3 of my 5 a day right here. Also I have a great source of oats and eggs. So yeah, we're gonna see some science-based evidence about this food now. And yeah, you made it this far, so give yourself a round of applause and thank you so much. And yeah, stay blessed. So why are oats so good to eat in the morning and good at losing weight or maintaining weight? Oats are described as whole grain, which is a complex carb. The whole grain effect of the oats mean that your body will take longer to digest these complex carbs, making you feel fuller for longer, leading to less snacking. That's why a lot of people, fitness influencers, for example, people who are athletes, they eat a lot of whole grain items or whole grain foods, because in turn you're burning more calories, meaning you will burn more calories eating whole grain version of foods compared to its processed alternatives. For example, brown rice is a whole grain item compared to white rice. Oats complexity comes with a whole array of hidden gems within its structure, truly making it one of a kind. It has varied numbers of phenolic compounds which possess a high level of antioxidants. Oats also has soluble fibers, which is known to lower blood cholesterol levels as well as reduce heart disease. Oats also possess a high number of butyrate in its structure, which is short fatty acid sequences, which allows oats to possess an anti-cancerous effect. Butyrate exerts multiple effects to modulate gene expression as well as regulating apoptosis in cell cycle. And this is linked with giving good gut health and reducing colon cancer. If you guys are interested in the research papers I'm looking and using for my evidence in these videos, I'll link it down below or put it as a card up here. I don't know how I'll do it, but I'll definitely link it down below. Now, when it comes to fruits, I'm not going to explain the benefits of fruits. It's common knowledge. Just eat your fruits, eat your 5 a day. Just do it. Now, lastly, eggs, the part of the meal which greatly helps me maintain and keep up with my protein goals during the day. Eggs being high in protein and protein being known to make you feel more satisfied with your meals or fuller for longer is great when you want to lose weight. Eggs are also a great source of good cholesterol, also known as HDL. In one study, it suggests that people who have a higher level of HDL in their body tends to have a lower risk of heart disease and other cardiac complications. And in this one study, it suggests that eating 2 eggs per day for 6 weeks straight will increase HDL levels by 10%. Lastly, for my guys who want to keep their natty parties and optimize testosterone production naturally, eggs is a great source of zinc. 2 large eggs a day can contribute to 10% of your daily zinc consumption. And the body being unable to store zinc, it is needed every single day, especially for guys who want to have high levels of testosterone throughout their gym progress or, every day of the week. As well as eggs contributing to your zinc consumption throughout the day, there's a beneficial micro in eggs as well called choline, which is a deficiency amongst many people in modern day population. So all in all, guys, by having oats, which supplies you with a lot of complex carbs and protein, which is good for you when it comes to weight loss and weight gaining in a good way, building muscle and losing fat, oats is a lifesaver. And also having a fruit salad, any type of fruits in the morning, it comes with great micronutrients, which is essential for your body to work in the best way possible. And lastly, the eggs, which supplies a good amount of eggs as well as some micros such as zinc and choline. All in all, these 3 dishes to make up your breakfast is amazing, and it should be a staple for most of you guys. That's why a lot of people, they usually have the same breakfast every day. It's very common amongst the fitness industry for people to eat oats or eat the same stuff literally every single day because the benefits are just amazing. Now, of course, eating the same things every day isn't good long term because your body needs other nutrients and other micros which is missing out on. So obviously you need to change it up a bit. And the fact that for breakfast you can change up what you have your oats with. So with the fruit salad, you can change the fruits you have. With the eggs, you can change the seasoning a little bit so you can have some benefits with some other seasonings as well as what you put in your oats as well. So instead of putting banana in your oats, you could put blueberries, for example. In the fruit salad, you can have strawberries or just have summer fruits like summer berries. You can literally change and adapt this meal that I made in this video for your needs, and it's perfect. So that is it, guys. I'm sorry about my background. It's doing a madness right now. It's very bright, but as I said, I changed my background. I'm still trying to adapt to it, but yeah, this is the end of the video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you gained any value from this. It's going to help me out a lot. In this YouTube channel, I'm going to focus more heavily into the gym as well as my TikTok. If you guys haven't seen my TikTok, it's literally my name at Yusuf Chowdhury, and make sure you go follow that up. I'm trying to be more active on there as well. My socials are down below. Everything is down below, everything about this video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you guys stay safe and stay blessed.